Hi guys, good morning. This is Bala and welcome back to my channel, and this time from Vagamon, Kerala. Hi guys, good morning. So this is day 2. So we are starting with the sunrise. So we came from room to here. Morning we started at 5:30. So Justin told us like we can go for sunrise as well yesterday while in sunset. So this is the location. Here where like sun will rise, and there like other gangs are standing there. So we just now arrived. So we are planned to take a time lapse. I'm not sure. Wind is like too heavy. So like location is like wonderful. You can see the river as well. There. And like we came in jeep only. So this is the jeep we came. Yesterday the same jeep we took, and Justin only riding it. So like he is like so damn like race driver. If he will feel like everything like coming to out. So let's go. We'll see the sunrise and we'll go to the room. So, the sunrise view is pure bliss to the eyes. And after an hour spent, we started to the next location. And Justin's off-road ride with the sunrise view was so perfect. Everyone liked it. Hi guys, after a freaking ride we came to WaterFall. So after sunrise like there is two places, one is WaterFall and one is a small cave, it is there. So we are covering both the things. Ride is so tough, man. It is like full pain only, but sunrise is so good. And this is the waterfall, I'll show it to you. So this is a small waterfall and it goes down there. And we need to go for cave on this part. So waterfall is on this side and cave is on that side. So both are like different sides. So once waterfall done, like we are going for cave. Okay, we'll go. paragliding spot. So like I'm so much excited. So now only we came and it is time is 2:30 something. So they told like wind is too heavy little. So just now one person went for the ride. So they are going there. I think it might not be visible. He's flying there. So just now we done the tokens and everything. So if you want to take video, you can take your own GoPro. So if you don't want, like, they will provide you one memory card and they will take with their GoPro itself. So let's go, we'll have fun. One thing I missed out. So if you are staying in Zostel, you might get coupon as well. So 10% discount will be there in Zostel. So I'll link it up the Zostel location as well and number as well. So you can check them with that. So you'll be getting 10% discount. So you can utilize that as well. So that's all. So guys, like second person started and one more is flying there. I'm like really excited. Like two of my friends already went, so they are standing there in the queue. So we both are going second. Like my aim is to fly drone here. I'm not sure whether they will allow it or not. We'll see. If it comes, like, it is super cool.
Any last words?
Sir, please side.
We'll meet you next.
Tell your home address.
அடுத்த ஜென்மத்துக்கு என்ன இங்கிலீஷ்
What is it saying?
பாலா இங்க ஏதோ டேப் போட்டிருக்காங்க போல. ஓய் செல்ல டேப் ஏதோ ஒட்டியிருக்காங்க போலயே.
It tore. అక్కడ ఎంత టైట్ చేసినా కూడా
Now only asking how to unclip that one also. I'll directly go to hostel.
బై మిస్టేక్ చేతిలో పెట్టుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
You also go to the infinity pool. Looking for you.
Directly land the pool.
So, this is the moment. All set and ready to fly. That initial pull of my first flight was amazing and I felt too adventurous. So, I just want you to sit back and enjoy the moment and the view with me.
I am super excited. So finally paragliding is done. So the worst thing is like one more my friend was not able to join like due to bad weather. So that's why like only we three went. So it was like super freaking experience, man. So everyone should try. The only thing is like weight matters. I'll put it in description as well if needed. So weight matters and weather matters. So if weather condition is good, like everyone can ride. So cost also I'll mention it in description. So that's all guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, like go and check it my Instagram as well. I'll post more reels about drones and everything, so please make sure to check it my Instagram as well. Let's go, we'll meet you in the next wonderful journey. Bye.